This is the first opening that we have is for the security engineer. So in this company, which is a VIEH, so this is a company name which is in Chennai. So there are two openings. First thing is for the intern, and second thing is for the full-time people. For full times, they need minimum 2 years of experience, and they need expertise in VAPD tools and techniques which are being used for doing vulnerability assessment and penetration testing. Certificate which is required for this full-time role is CEH and OSCP or equivalent will be helpful. And apart from this, bachelor in cybersecurity or infosec information security domain is important. It might be a BCA, a specialization with cybersecurity, or maybe BTech degree. Okay, anything will be preferable. Bachelor should be from CS, right? Scripting is important. Python or shell scripting, both languages you should have to be familiar with. And this is for the full time, and for the internship, bachelor in cybersecurity or infosec is important. Experience is hack the box, try hack me, and bug bounty or web application pen testing is important, right? Basic knowledge of OWASP top 10, how to fix all those things, what is OWASP top 10, basics things will be important. And security tools which might need to find out the vulnerability should be researched from your side, right? So these are the couple of requirement for the internship role, and this is on site, which means you have to go to their location and work from there. Apart from this location is Kundung Gayur, which is in Chennai, and this is a mail ID talent@vizc.com. So here you can drop your resume for getting hired for this job role. Anyways, next opening is in the company Aris. Okay, so there are total six positions which is available, six seats are available, and the role is sub application support. So tech support engineer is the role basically which is being assigned if you get hired. Freshers with a bachelor degree in any stream will be preferable. You should have good communication skills along with the verbal and writing skills, and should be flexible to work. And this will be rotational shifts. Rotational shifts basically means one day you have to work from the office, another day you have to work from home. And for interview, you need to actually this is a walk-in interview where you have to visit their office, which will be from Monday to Saturday, and from 8 to 3 p.m. Okay, 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. This will be the timing where you need to visit their office, right? And this is a contact number where you can contact if you have any query, and these are the mail ID on which you can drop your mail. And this is immediate joining. If you apply right now, then you might get selected within couple of days if you get selected, right? So just go ahead. Freshers thing we have said twice. Now the next opening is for the people those have little bit experience and those who are in DevSecOps, DevOps basically. So this is for the DevOps role, and experience is 2 to 3 years of experience is required. Along with you should have to be familiar with AWS, Docker, Kubernetes, CI/CD pipelines, Transform for infrastructure as a code, and Grafana or Prometheus for monitoring of observation. So how many of you knows about Prometheus? Just let me know in the comment box, because we have openings in VIEH as well. So they are looking for the same thing. If you already had experience, then you can join. This is not for the fresher. And this is mail ID hr@jeptatech.com. So company is Jeptatech, where you can apply for the DevOps engineer. The next opening is as a IT dev support, which is in Queensland. So Queensland is, I guess, this is in Middle East or somewhere. So actually, I have never visited, but I this is somewhere I feel like it's in Middle East or somewhere in the same place. The company is Axiom Technology. Experience is 3 years of experience is required as a desktop support specialist. Okay, so experience would be minimum of 3 years. Number of openings is two, and yeah, 3 to 4 years of experience required with a good knowledge. Visakha.kumari as it axiomtechnologies.com is the mail ID from where you can apply. Right, all right, guys. So next thing is for the एसओसी ट्रेनर. भाई यहाँ पे एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए 7 से 10 साल का. तो एक्सपीरियंस है तभी अप्लाई करना, बिकॉज एसओसी इज समथिंग विच इज रिक्वायर्ड राइट नाउ. ठीक है, तो एसओसी एनालिस्ट को ट्रेन करना है तो यू शुड रिक्वायर्ड अ वेरी गुड नॉलेज, राइट? एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए, वर्किंग एक्सपीरियंस 7 to 10 years. फ्रीलांसिंग वर्क है ये. एक्चुअली you'll be going to sign some sort of tender, some sort of document for a couple of times, and this is work from home actually. Info as cyberdefense.com. by defense का स्पेलिंग कुछ गलत नहीं, might be a domain यही होगा. So anyways, so this is the opening for SOC analyst trainer. You can apply. Next is SOC L1, L2, L3. This is the job where the office is in New Delhi near Udyog Bhavan metro station. And role is you need to monitor, analyze, and you have to be you are familiar with SIEM, IDS, IPS or more than apply for this job role. Incident response, threat intelligence, You have to work with the team and you have to maintain the incident logs like this might be a role of incident response in SOC. Okay, where L1, L2, L3 is both, everything is there. So it from freshers to experience, right? You should have good knowledge about firewall, malware analysis, SIM tools, SOC, and all those things. Just comment any three SIM tools. I'll give you a sort out. So certificate like CompTIA Security plus CH is preferable. If you have all these things, is you'll get much more value. And problem solving skills by the cybersecurity चाहिए. Cert Lab is the company name and mail ID certlab3@gmail.com. Authenticate from your side this is the company mail or not. Accordingly, you can apply, right? Next role is as a IT system engineer. Company is findweb.com, and this is a job opening which is in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. So as far I know, you have to work on ground. Okay, you have to manage network infrastructure and cloud solution, implement security measures across campuses. I guess so. You have to go to the multiple companies, multiple institutions for implementing what you say for implementing the router switching and all those system things. I guess so. This is usually what a job that low level job that Dubai, Saudi Arabia, UAE is having, right? Mail ID cv@findbed.com from where you can apply. All right. So next job is senior VIPT consultant. Experience वाला job है. Full time job is there. On site है. You have to work from the office. Experience is 3 to 4 years of experience is required. Location is New Delhi, and this is a immediate joining. So if you want to join very soon, if you want to join as soon as possible, then this is for you. But you should have good experience. 3 to 4 years of experience should be required. Okay. So VIPT and pen test, vulnerability assessment, pen testing experience required. And this is the mail ID v.tamanna@trojanhuntindia.com. By Trojan Hunt India is hiring for a lot of positions. So you may visit the LinkedIn page on their website. So for the fresher bhi ho, if you have experience, whatever you have, just check it out because I got a lot of messages from the people. Trojan Hunt is hiring. So go to their website and you may find a lot of job. You are fresher if you want internship, if you want a job. By the way, we are also going to start an internship for the developers as well for the security people. So we may be posting within the next 1 or 2 days. Now, next opening is for the network security engineer L2. Requirement is extreme switching X. The other versions actually X450, X460, and X690. Extreme wireless is important. Blue cat network IPAM is important. Fortinet firewall. So भाई इसमें experience चाहिए. I guess so because this is not something which can be done by the freshers. You can drop your resume at cipra.paliwal@gxinetworks.com. Domain is good. Yeah, I guess no queries, nothing is there. So I guess that's the time to say you thank you for joining. All right. So thank you everyone for joining this session. If you have learned something, just drop a thumbs up. You can share with your friends, those who are looking for the job. So thank you once again. Have a great day. Jai Hind.